in Britain, the government has also changed. So, 3 of the representatives of British cabinet were sent to India, and they have to meet with the top leaders of Congress and Muslim League. Now, they have put forward the proposals, the short-term proposals and long-term proposals. Now, there was a need to form the government, as central legislature and provincial assemblies has already been elected. Now, the first condition was the party that is going to accept the proposals will be invited to be included in the interim government. Now, the question arises that if either Congress or Muslim League will withdraw their decision in making the interim government, they will, if they are going to withdraw their or reject the cabinet missions, they will not allow to participate in the formation of interim government. While what were the long-term proposals? About the long-term proposals, they have divided India into 3 groups, Group A, Group B and Group C. Group A was dominated with Hindu majority areas, while Group B was determined as the Muslim majority areas in northwest, including NWFP, Punjab, Sindh and Balochistan, while Group C was also determined as the Muslim majority area in east, including Assam and Bengal. It was further proposed that any of the province who wanted the separation after 10 years, they will have the right of separation. Now, what could be the reaction of Congress and Muslim League? As we know that many of the Muslim League leaders, including Quaid-e-Azam and Liaquat Ali Khan, were of the keen view that Pakistan was the utmost and immediate need of subcontinent Muslims. So, the point of 10 years was questioned by Muslim League, while the Congress has objected on the right of separation. But both of the parties don't have another option rather than accepting the proposals, as they both wanted to form the interim government. And upon raising their objections, Quaid-e-Azam has announced the Direct Action Day on 16th August 1946, in which he claimed that if on the immediate basis the partition of India would not be done, Muslim League is going to act directly into the matters of government. After that, interim ministries from the interim elections of 1946 and 45 were invited to form the interim government. So, the proportion in the interim government was that Congress were given 6 seats, Muslim League was given 5 seats and minorities have 3 seats. Now, when it comes to the division of ministries, the very important ministry that Muslim League was succeeded in getting was the finance ministry, and it was designated, Liaquat Ali Khan was designated as the finance minister of India. After that, as the partition planning was done, there was the 3rd June plan given by Viceroy Mountbatten, as he has replaced Lord Weber. But in that, he has shown the biasness towards Muslim League, as Nehru, the new Congress leader, was taken in the confidence, while Muslim League was not aware of this plan when it was sent to the British government for the approval. But after it came back to India, the important points of 3rd June plan were that about the partition of certain areas of India. That must have created the problem later. So, the main issue was of Punjab and Bengal is in Punjab, the West Punjab was dominated by Muslims and East Punjab was dominated by Sikhs. While in Bengal, the East Bengal was dominated by Muslims and West Bengal was predominated by Hindus. So, for their division, there must be the special sessions that must be held in the Punjab and Bengal assemblies so that the members could decide it, that how Punjab and Bengal are going to divide. While there must be the determination of boundaries in case of any partition, and it was a right given to Sindh Provincial Assembly that they must decide that whether they want to join Pakistan or India. While the future of KP, NWFP at that time was decided by giving the right to votes to the people of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa through referendum, and the choice was given that whether they want to join Pakistan or not. While the future of Balochistan was decided by Shahi Jirga and Municipal Committee of Quetta. On the eastern side, certain districts of Assam province has given the right to referendum whether they want to join Pakistan or India. This is all about lecture 2 of this week.